In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a tax report on eToro. Now this works from your phone as well as from the website, and it's really easy. So what you want to do is head over to eToro.com, log into your account and click on Settings. Inside of Settings, you should see the account right here, and if you open up Account, at the bottom there will be one called Tax Report, and you can simply go into that one. Now I don't want to click on account because then you can see all of my personal stuff, like my phone number and everything. But if you go in there, you should see your tax report at the bottom. You can click on it to view it, and you'll also be able to download it from in there. So that is basically how that works. Like I said, this also works from your phone, but I just prefer to do it from the website on the PC, but you can do it on your phone as well. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.